ever looked back at the end of the year and thought about what were the top 5 purchases that you made this year? We work a lot for money. Everything that we do is somehow directly or indirectly related to our financial gain. And we spend that money on things that should matter a lot to us, not to something that we just do not appreciate enough. So I thought, to appreciate my 2021, I should look into what are the things that I purchased so that I can feel proud of. Like I would think that, oh, I'm so lucky I have these assets or these things or these experiences in my life. So I thought I would create this one video on top 5 things that I purchased in 2021. If you are busy and you want something more productive or something better to do, please go ahead on the next video on your playlist, which has more productive and more educational. This is just my self-reflection on top 5 things that I loved and I am very passionate about my purchases in 2021. Number 5 on that list is going to be iPhone 13. And I'm recording this video on that iPhone 13 right now because you can see the lenses are great. It's a cinematic mode, so you might feel that the plants behind me, there is a soft blur here and there. I find it more useful for creating Instagram Reels, which I create a lot of Instagram Reels. And you can follow me on Instagram. I share a lot of fun Reels, but I don't have many followers. I'll be very happy if I get more followers. So that's why I purchased this iPhone 13. I did not buy the Pro because, ouch, it was expensive. And this 13, I did not pay anything because I got a very good deal from my telecom company. I got like $250 gift card, no upfront cost, and so many other benefits that I thought, hey, if I don't buy it, I'm losing money. So I actually went ahead and purchased this iPhone 13 and I think the quality is great. So that's number 5 best purchase of 2021. Number 4 big purchase of 2021 was, hold yourself, it's 3 times more expensive than this iPhone 13 that I'm using right now. And this is just a pair of glasses, which you might feel like, wow, how can you spend so much money on a pair of glasses? These are dental loupes or surgical loupes that we use as a dentist. I purchased this 4.5 magnification panoramic view dental loupes by Design for Vision. They are amazing company. If you are looking for the content information, just click down below. If you are in Canada, the panorama vision is amazing. Those who have used 4.5 loupes in dentistry or in surgery, then you would know that there is such a small field of vision and there is small depth of vision. But with panorama, you can pretty much see the entire quad of entire dental arch, and you can like you would feel that you are in a smaller magnification, but you would get a very good magnification and a very humble depth, I would say. But I'm still proud that I'm able to purchase it, of course on the loan. I'm just exhausting my student line of credit for it, but this is something I'm proud of, and I think it would make my skills in dentistry much more refined. I would be able to do justice to my profession. I would be able to perform better surgical and dentistry procedures using these kind of loupes. So I'm really happy and proud of this purchase, which is going to be my purchase number 4 of 2021. My purchase number 3 of 2021 is just a random coffee machine, which is called Nespresso. Boy, I am addicted to it. I finish 2 mugs of this Nespresso every day, and like me and my wife, we would just cuddle in the couch and we would have our Nespresso mug. That's like the best treat we can ask for. This coffee comes in so many different flavors or different varieties that it's like a new coffee for us every morning, and it feels like a treat to us. So my number 3 purchase for 2021 is this Nespresso coffee machine, and boy, I am addicted to the coffee now. And my number 1 and most favorite purchase of 2021 so far is Oculus. Oculus is amazing. It's a VR virtual reality gaming platform, and boy, it has been my favorite purchase so far. And the thing that I enjoy on Oculus most is Supernatural, which is a VR workout. So I could never ask for a better workout. I could never ask for a better experience. It is like living in some other part of the world and like having the best coaches to you. And like I just cannot speak much about virtual reality with with Supernatural and with Oculus, but I would say that this is definitely the best purchase I've made in 2021. It was on discounts. I got some gift card, I got some free credits. So I got a very good deal on purchasing this Oculus, but I cannot stop recommending it to everyone. Those especially on consoles. I'm not a big fan of gaming console like PlayStation and Xbox. I know the quality of games is like way superior, but then we are sitting on the couch and we are not getting the workout done. And on the other hand, this Oculus gives us some amazing workouts while playing the game. Personally, for me, I never enjoyed PlayStation or Xbox, but Oculus is a game changer for me. So this is my number one favorite purchase of 2021. If you have something similar out of my list, please let me know in the comment below so I know who are more like-minded people like me who purchase similar things, and maybe we can connect on some level. And if you have some other purchases that you are really proud of, how about post it in the comment below, get it out of your system, and then you will remember that these are 5 things that I purchased in 2021 that I'm proud of. How lucky are you that you were able to purchase those 5 things? And if you're not proud of that, then you should not purchase it in future. What were the reasons that you purchased it? Was it impulsive or was it a well thought decision? If it was impulsive, then you must account for it so that you do not accidentally purchase or do the same mistake in 2022. If you want to watch other 2 videos that I recently posted on my 5 regrets and 5 highlights of 2021, then just check it out here or in the link in the description below. But I wish you an amazing 2022, and I would see you much more often in 2022. I'll try my best with more informational videos, more courses, and more things to share. This is Sam, and goodbye from Teacher Contest.